Hello, America. We are at Tryon Palace, the British Royal Governor's Palace of North Carolina until the independence from Great Britain. And we're going to show you some gorgeous, gorgeous royal gardens at Tryon Palace. Sorry to say Buckingham Palace. Sorry, wrong continent. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Let's take a stroll through the royal gardens. That's Edwin, my friend from high school. Wow, they put a lot of work into this garden. It's just tremendous, really beautiful. So you can see from the statues, they're quite explicative of the Greek and Roman, their appreciation for the Greek and Roman culture back in the olden days. Pay no attention to Edwin, my friend over there. He is, where did he go? He is totally delirious.
Neanderthal.
What is this garden, Edwin?
I have no idea.
Ah, this is the Grecian garden.
This is where they play basketball.
Probably so. And behind us you can see the beautiful Trent River. And it is from this river that it's very close to the Atlantic Ocean. And so everything would come into the royal colony from New York and Philadelphia and Baltimore, and from down in Georgia, because Florida didn't exist in those days for the royal colonies and all that stuff. And so they would come up here, and this is a very deep river port and was very, very wealthy with the British for over 100 years. North Carolina was a royal colony for many years. But this year we're celebrating our 300th anniversary as a royal colony because we began in 1712. I shall never forget the day. And now it's 2012. And so we're enjoying this beautiful day. It's just gorgeous. This is a magnolia tree, which you will only see in wherever they are. But they grow everywhere. And behind me you can see a famous statue of, I have no idea. We'll have to Google it. And now we're going into the Royal Botanical Gardens. Let's see what this is. This is the modern garden. Oh wow, how beautiful. Now that's looking straight to the Trent River. And then beyond that, just a little bit, is the Atlantic Ocean. Now let's take another view back. Wow, very nice. I wonder if they call this the Arboretum. It has a name, and I can't recall the real name, but it's quite nice because, especially in the summertime, all of these grapevines, or whatever they are, cover this entire area, and it would be very cool in the summer. It gets very hot over here, so these are just fantastic. No, they're not grape. It's some other type of little tree, but it's really fantastic. Welcome to Tryon Palace Royal Botanical Gardens. And we're coming up on Mr. Edwin, a good friend of mine for many years. He's a good British gentleman. He's from one of the other royal colonies.
Australia.
Oh, I do believe he's from Australia. Oh, he's another royal colony. Oh, excellent. Maud Moore Lathan is the one who, I suppose, financed this entire expedition around here in the royal gardens. So we hope you've enjoyed our very brief encounter here at Royal Tryon Palace in New Bern, North Carolina. It's called New Bern because in about 17, who knows, or 16 something, the Germans came over and established this from Switzerland, or the Swiss people I should say, from Bern, Switzerland. And so their symbol is the bear, because there are a lot of bears, I guess, in Switzerland. And there are a lot of bears around here. So that's why they have the bear everywhere. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of Tryon Palace Royal Gardens and the Trent River.